Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these super cute Pinteresty miniature flower pot or flower vases using paper quilling strips. Yes, you have heard it right. This is made using paper strip, and isn't it looking like the ceramic one? Super shiny, super glossy and super smooth with different floral designs, different patterns, and you can create such cute miniature flower vases with very less material and in very less time. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So I'm starting with making my first pot, and here I'm taking 2 strips in 3mm. You can use whatever color are left with you to create these pots because we are going to color it later, so color doesn't matter here. So I'm taking here 2 strips in 3mm and making a tight coil. Then taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Then just pinching it in the center using back side of the tool to make the flat surface, then keeping it aside. And after that I'm taking half strip of 5mm paper and wrapping it around the paintbrush so that we will have one hole in the center to create the vase top. So just making a small ring, secure it using glue. And then passing one pencil through this and making a cone shape like this. Then for the next shape here I'm taking 1.5 strip in 3mm and wrapping it around the same brush again and making a ring shape. Then using my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Taking back all remaining designs, add glue inside each pattern and spread it nicely with brush and allow it to dry. And also I am sticking with each other to construct the pot shape. So our first pot is ready. Then I am starting with the next one. For this I am taking 2 strips in 3mm and making one tight coil. Then I am taking a 1.5 strip ring tight coil which I have made using paintbrush. Then shaping the tight coil using quilling mold, and we have to open it carefully and create the longer and deeper dome like a cone shape. Flatten the surface using any backside of pencil or paintbrush. And then taking the ring dome, opening it using my finger and making a cone. And then add glue inside both the shapes and connect with each other. So it should look like this. Then here I am taking 1.5 strip of tight coil ring dome and I am going to connect it on top of the flower pot. So you can keep the flower pot as it is, or you can apply one more dome on top to create 2 different patterns. So it's all up to you. Then I am starting with third pattern. For this I am taking 2 strips in 3 mm again and making one tight coil. Keeping it aside, then I am taking here 1.5 strip in 3 mm and making a ring by wrapping it around the brush. Then making a dome shape, open it carefully using fingers as a cone. Also using my pencil to open it little more. Then add glue inside the shape, spread it nicely with brush. And then sticking the tight coil in the base of this cone. And the vase is ready. Then to create next shape, here I am taking 7 by 2 cm pink color cardstock strip. You can use any color cardstock. Wrapping it around the same paintbrush and making one long pipe which is having hole. Then here I have prepared this ring dome using 1.5 strip and one tight coil using 2 strips. And this ring dome is made using 1 strip. All these 3 are made using 3 mm strips. Then attaching all shapes together and constructing the pot shape. And this is done. Very pretty. Then for the next shape, here I have already prepared 2 designs using 1.5 strips in 3 mm. These are ring domes connecting with each other. And also we need one more 1.5 strip ring dome, and this is made using 2 strips of 3 mm, and these are tight coil domes connected with each other. Now joining all 3 shapes together and making the vase shape, and this is done. Then here all my pot shapes are ready. So to secure this and to give it ceramic look, here I am taking little bit of white liquid glue, white acrylic color and the baby powder. Then mixing it very well using palette knife and making my own texture paste. So the smooth texture paste is ready. Then I am showing you all my pots which are ready and nicely dried. So before applying texture paste, you have to dry your all the shapes. So they are nicely done, and then it's time to make it smooth and look like a ceramic pot. So just using my palette knife, I am applying this paste on top of the shape. And then using wet brush, I am smoothing all the design. Do it with very light hand because we don't want to smudge the paste, we just want to smooth it. And with the similar method, I have applied the ceramic paste on all the remaining pots and they are nicely covered. And with the same method, I have prepared some more pots already with the same patterns, just like dome, pipes, cones, and just played with different patterns. So in this way you can create so many different varieties using some basic shapes and create your own beautiful miniature pots. So in total I have prepared 14 designs, but you can create as many as you want. So all these are done. This is the bead one made using 2 domes simple. Now Before doing the coloring work, we have to smoothen all these pots and to give it nice perfect finish. And for that I am showing you one of the pot how to smoothen it. So I'm just taking one of the design and take any sandpaper and just sanding the surface. And you have to do this process after drying all the texture paste. Don't do it when your texture paste is wet. After drying it for 2 to 3 hours, you can use the sandpaper and just sanding it with very light hand on the whole surface, and you will have the perfect smooth finished product ready. Now it's time to color the pots with different patterns. So here I am simply taking only 3 acrylic colors, that is red, yellow and green, and little bit of white, and creating my designs. So you can create any pattern whatever you want. Take very small round brush and start decorating your pots. So just enjoy the painting work, and if you have any doubt regarding painting work, you can ask me in the comment section. So this is my last one, and then after doing the painting work we have to varnish each and every pot to give it nice shine, which will look like the ceramic one in the real. So all my super cute pots and vases are ready. They are ready to decorate your small miniature houses, miniature pots or miniature garden. And you can convert this into beautiful decorative piece. So just stay tuned for part 2, where I will share how you can utilize these miniature pots or vases to decorate your home decor projects. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.